Welcome to the Explainer. Let's find your perfect 2026 student laptop so you avoid that nasty buyer's remorse.
Okay, let's dive into this. Are you overpaying for pure marketing fluff? Let's decode those tricky spec sheets together. Basic laptops just won't cut it anymore. Your machine literally needs to be a high-performance lab on the go. Facing the triple threat of AI, ML, and 3D rendering, a weak computer will just overheat, throttle, and crash.
Grab an H or HX brain. Plus, an RTX 50 series GPU is absolutely non-negotiable for that heavy math.
32 gigs. That's your sweet spot to run heavy virtual networks right alongside 50 open Chrome tabs.
And this brilliantly illustrates our top 2026 contenders. Let's figure out which heavyweight actually fits your specific major. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 16, it's an absolute powerhouse. You'll get the fastest AI training times possible here.
Then there's the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. Its insane cooling stops thermal throttling dead during intense data crunching.
Now what's really interesting here is the Asus TUF Gaming A15. It packs killer internals for way less cash.
The ultra-thin Razer Blade 14 brings serious gaming power in your backpack. But hey, it does run pretty hot.
Apple's MacBook Pro gives you unbelievable battery life. But honestly, Windows still wins for hardcore model training. So think about your budget and backpack space. What software does your degree demand? Which trade-off works for you?
So the crucial point is choosing between absolute desktop power with the Strix or unbeatable value with the TUF.
Skip the hype. Are you going to fall for marketing fluff or buy the actual specs to finish your degree?
Welcome to